All right.
Today on This Guy's Garage.
Come on.
I think she needs an enema, Sean.
What?
The garage needs an enema.
Oof. There she is. She's out.
So welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Today we're going to be installing shitlat siding. The wife wants shitlat siding, and shitlat siding she's going to get, so let's get down to business. If you came here for a proper shitlat siding install video, you came to the wrong place. So we took the big bad 600 horse 502 apart, and we found out what the problem was. This engine was laid up for 20 years over that. The end of a spark plug got down the cylinder hole. So how things happen, I do not know, but the intake was off. There was a set of gaskets getting put in it, and there's your problem. That will make a engine knock every time, and nickel holding up dollars. So anyways, so other than that, if it hadn't been dealt with at the time, it probably wouldn't have been that much of an issue, although the ceramic that was around that spark plug went through the engine, and you know, it got embedded in the spark plug and the cylinder wells and the pistons, so you know, it made a mess. Everything cleaned up pretty well, and I'd love to have some video on it, but my father-in-law, he grabbed that engine as quick as a hiccup, and before I got a chance to shoot any video on what that engine looked like after sitting for all those years, he has it homed out and looking pretty good, and it's going to go back together. And the cam that was in it, it was a big grind for a motorhome application. It was more for a pro street application, what the car was built to be. Although it was a pump gas cam that was in it, we decided to scale it back a little bit. Got a camshaft, got a set of lifters coming for it. They should be here today. Father-in-law is going to assemble all that. He chooses to rename nameless, so thanks, Bernie. There we're at. That's where we're at. So, well, my father-in-law's getting my engine built for me. I'm gonna other things and install some shitlat siding inside. It's all the tiny home craze. So. I seen a great little video on YouTube, and it was a girl. She was doing her bathroom over, and she was using wood paneling, cut up in strips, and to simulate the shiplap. So everything in motorhomes is faux anyway, so that's the route I decided to take. So we got all the dry rotted paneling out, and we put new paneling in. And the great thing about this RV is that there's no other wood besides the wood paneling. So it's all steel structure, so this thing is a tank. If you haven't caught the original Adventure RV video where I brought this thing home, check that out. It is it's a pretty fun video. You might want to check that out.
head over to our bonfire store. You can check out our new This Guy's Garage 4am Caper logo tee. You're watching This Guy's Garage on channel 4am Caper. Shout outs! I got a couple of shout outs today I want to do. First is Duct Tape Tech. He's been sending it since 1985. He got all kinds of shenanigans, so it's a really fun channel. Head over there and don't be cheap when you're there. Leave a like, subscribe. Great channel. On deck, Joe Smith. Lots of great videos. I love his channel. I go over there regularly. If you support Joe Smith, I tell you, he's going to support you. Great guy to have in your corner. Thank you, Joe Smith. Next, I need to thank a couple of people. First, I'm going to thank Nick's Garage. He gave me a shout out on his channel, and if you don't know who Nick's Garage is, I don't know what rock you've been hiding under, because he's got a huge channel, great Canadian content, and does lots of great work. He has the kind of channel that the rest of us are aspiring to create, so thank you, Nick, and much appreciated. Another big thank you needs to go out to Old Car Auto Guy. He gave me 2 shout outs this week, and I couldn't thank you more, brother. So much appreciated. And if you're not subscribed to his channel, head over there now. Don't be cheap when you're there. I'd also like to thank the maintenance man. He had me on his live stream this week. I had a blast doing it, and there's my ugly mug right there. So much appreciation for having me on, maintenance man. It was a hell of a time. It was a blast. Much appreciated. I gotta say thank you, Junk from Work. Supported my tea on your Saturday podcast live stream. Much appreciated. You've been a big supporter. You've been a big help to get us over 100 subscribers. Just wanted to throw a thank you out. And if you don't know who Junk from Work is, he has a fun channel. You got to go over and check it out.
Like and subscribe on YouTube channel for I Am Camper.
You shitting me? It's Caper. 4am Caper.